Hey, I just wanted to make a quick thank you video to all the new subscribers and all the old subscribers. Thank you for your support. I'm doing what I love, working on my old 54 Pontiac, working on my 51 Chevy truck. The things that I've learned along the way, the materials that I've had to build, or the components that I've had to build, the materials that I've sourced and found online that have worked for me. I've tried to incorporate most of that stuff that I've learned into my videos, and if I've missed anything along the way, sorry about that. Let me know and I'll try to make a highlight video, or I'll capture it, or if you send me a message, I'll snap a picture of it and I'll send it off to you. Really, I just want to be able to work in my shop, work on these cool old cars, learn new skills. I've learned to weld, I've learned to fabricate, I've learned to use AutoCAD, multiple other little skills and kind of tricks along the way that I've learned. I was able to buy a mill, I was able to buy the welder that I needed, my air compressor, all that stuff that has really helped and aided in my ability to keep going along and learning new skills. I started in this shop with nothing. There was nothing in the shop. I had my little BMW that I had bought to modify, and I was using like an electric angle grinder to grind shit, and yeah, so this shop has come a long way, and it all just started out of just a pursuit of working on cars. That's really all I want to do, is I want to fabricate, I want to build, I want to design, and this shop has given me the ability to do that. And now additionally, people reaching out and buying custom valve covers off me, people buying scissor hinges off of me, and people even requesting custom designs that I draw up for them on AutoCAD. That all helps along the way. And it puts a little bit of cash back into my shop for me to be able to buy more tools, learn new things, pay for subscriptions in design software, things like that. And I don't know, it's really exciting. I'm really excited. The 1,000 subscribers milestone was, it was kind of just that acknowledgement that I can do it, and that people actually give enough of a shit to care to subscribe to me and watch me attempt to do these things. The scissor hinges was a big thing. So I was trying to find scissor hinges for my truck, and I could not find any that were not unreasonably priced. Everyone wanted way too much money for a set of these things. So I reached out, I looked online, I found some tentative designs that were similar in kind of what I wanted, and then I modified those, and it resulted in a scissor hinge that worked perfectly for the application that I needed it to in the back of my truck. And I had a lot of people message me asking me about them and want the design. I do appreciate that, and I would love to just give the design away, and I will eventually be able to do that, but for the time being, running a shop is expensive, building these old cars is expensive, so if I'm able to make a little bit of cash on the side to be able to afford to do these things, I need to do that. So I am charging money for these for the time being. Essentially, I just need to make enough money to, I don't know, afford to acquire a few more skills. Once I acquire a few more skills, I can reduce the price of these down to a point where I'm essentially giving them away, but putting a little bit of cash in my pocket to be able to keep pushing on this. So I do intend to decrease the price on these, so I appreciate the support of others that have already bought these, and down the road, if you would like another set for a reduced price, I'll give you a crash blowout price on that. If not, I'll just send you a refund for a little bit of cash. Custom valve covers, same thing. The support that I've got for those to be able to design custom valve covers for people. I've got customers now in the UK, in Finland, in the States, here in Canada, locals. So that's really exciting, and that's really cool. That's a very fun project. Making custom valve covers, that was a big thing for me. I designed them initially for my Pontiac, and I had a few people request a couple designs for those. So I went ahead and I made those, and that's what kind of spurred that. So valve covers, scissor hinges, other components. projects, kind of what do I got going on in the future. I intend to get back to the truck very soon. I've had a lot of old subscribers that are curious when I'm going to get back to that, and hopefully very soon. I do need to get my Pontiac on the road. I got a local friend here that's helping me wire the engine here. He's got a little bit of experience building a few harnesses for these cars, so he's helping me out with those. And once I get the Pontiac running, I'll have much more room in my shop to be able to get back at that truck. That's really the biggest hindrance, is space. This is a 24 by 26 shop. It might look bigger on the videos, but it is not. It is a small detached two-car garage. So I'm making it work, and once this car is out, I'll be back onto the truck, and I got lots of fabricating, and I got lots of ideas on this that I want to get to. So that's that. JP LaGrange, working in my shop in my backyard. I appreciate everyone's support, and this was just a little thank you video. Giveaway. I do have an idea that I'm going to give away the designs for my welding table, because that has been a huge help for me, and I don't think I'm going to be able to sell welding tables because I cannot ship them. So I could, but it would be, I don't know, it would not be conducive to the price of the table if I were to try to ship those things. So I prefer to just give you the designs, and you guys can get the parts laser cut and fabricate them yourselves. I'll give you a little walk around on the table here, but yeah, that's that. Thank you, everyone. And if there's anyone new watching this video, please subscribe and like. And to all my new subscribers and old subscribers, I just wanted to say thank you very much, and I appreciate the opportunity that you've given me. So I'm going to keep on keeping on, and I've got a lot more skills to learn. One of them is the bead roller in the back. I'm really excited to get to that. This fuel tank that I got sitting in front of me for the Pontiac, that'll be the primary project for that bead roller, is to get this fuel tank in the car and yeah, bead roll some panels to fill it, so, or fill the trunk around the fuel tank. So yeah, that's that. Thanks everyone. Thanks for watching.